Okay, so welcome guys sa another topic na to, which is linear equation of order 1. So basically naatay equation sa makita ninyo sa screen, that is x raised to 5 plus 3y multiplied by dx minus x dy equal to 0. So sa linear equation of order 1 guys, kailangan na to i-rewrite ang equation into the form of this one. Kailangan nato siya i-rewrite sa form nga dy over dx plus p of x y is equal to q of x. Okay, so general solution po niya na ata equation makita na to sa baba. Okay, so let's start. Para makuha nato ni nga equation kani nasa atong right side, kailangan nato i-transpose ang mga butang. Okay, first step is kailangan nato i-transpose sa nato si second term ni left side padulong sa right side. So x 5 plus 3y, then dx minus equal to x dy. Okay, para makuha nato si dy over dx, tuang cross multiply. So si dx guys, transpose nato sa right side denominators, and si x transpose po nato sa left side. Okay, so ang bago na tong equation is x raised to 5 plus 3y then over x then equal to dy over dx. And take note guys, sa atong right side naka-form na taog dy over dx. So unsaon na to pagpangita si p of x y then q of x. In terms ani, i-distribute na to atong denominator sa first term, okay, sa atong left side, and sa tuang second term. So natay x raised to 5 over x then plus 3y over x then equal to dy over dx. Okay, so we are almost with the equation sa tuang right side. Okay, almost na equal. So para maka-come up ta of p of x of y, then mahimo ni siyang 3 over x y. Okay, then ato ang q of x is mahulog og x raised to 4 then dy over dx. Okay, so again kailangan ta mo come up og equation nga same sa ato ang right side. So it means natay x raised to 4 then equal to dy over dx then minus 3 over x y. Okay, so same na sila sa ato ang equation, whereas natay q x then equal to dy over dx then minus minus p of x then y. So in terms ani guys, baluta nga si q of x kay equal siya kay x raised to 4. Okay, raised to 4 na guys. X equal to x raised to 4, then si p of x kay equal siya kay negative 3 over x. Okay, so kailangan na to ang integration form. Okay, take note, pag makita na to sa task guys, naatay integration of p dx. Okay, integration of p dx. So which means sa tuang, okay, erase na ako ni guys. Wala na po siya na erase. Okay. Okay, so in terms sa atong equation guys, ato ang i-write si is e raised to p dx. Whereas, ato ang p, so ito atong px is negative 3 over x then dx. Okay, para makuha na to si e raised to integration of p dx, kailangan na to integrate ang ato ang nasa right side. Okay, that is e. Then, pagawas na to ang ato ang constant. Then, integration of dx over x. And ang final answer na is e raised to negative 3 then ln x. Okay? Okay guys, para ani guys, ayaw dyan mo kalimot nga kailangan nato i-simplify ang atong equation. Okay? Makita ninyo nga naatay e, naatay ln. Okay? So, if ever natay e, natay ln, it means pwede nato siya ma-simplify into 1. Pero take note na atay negative 3. So unsaon nato si negative 3, applyan nato og power rule sa ato ang logarithm. Okay? So that is e. Then ln x raised to negative 3. Tama? Then naanatay e raised to ln, which means this will become 1. And ato ang e raised to integration of p dx kay equal siya kay x negative 3. Okay? So, nanataan na guys. Wait lang. Kuha sa i-erase. Okay. Sa na to. Okay. After this one guys, kailangan na to ang ato ang general equation. So, sulat na to ato ang general equation. Okay. General equation that is y. Then, e raised to equation of p dx. Then, q. E raised to integration of p dx. Then, don't forget the dx. Then, plus c. Okay. And, naanatay e raised to integration of p dx. So, naatay y multiplied by x, negative 3, that is our e raised to integration of p dx, then equal, then integration, okay? And si q na to guys, makita na to sa taas. Oops. Pili value sa to ang q. Q is x raised to 4. Okay, so this is x raised to 4. Okay, then ato ang e raised to integration of p dx is x minus 3. Then dx, then plus c. So, mara-write na to atong equation sa left side as y over x raised to 3. Then diri ato ang i-simplify ang sa inner portion, that is x raised to 4 then minus 3. Then that is x dx then plus c. Erase, 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 erase guys, erase, erase in town. Okay. Lag pa siya. Okay. Then next guys, ato ang i-integrate ato ang equation na nasa right side. Okay. So raised to 3. Then that is x squared over 2 then plus c. Okay. Para eliminate na to ang denominator. Okay. Multiply both sides by eliminate both sides by sa ato yung multiply na to sila og 2 because naa sila na denominator on right side na 2 then x cube. Okay, so which means si 2x cube mamultiply sa ito ang left side, that is 2y na lang mabilin because makancel out si x cube. Then sa right side, si x squared mamultiply og x cube. So that is x raised to 5 because 2 plus 3. Then si 2 makancel out, then plus 2x cube c. Okay, or you can write this down as 2y then equal to 5 plus 2c x cube. Okay, and that is our final answer. Thank you for watching, guys.